Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Been a while since we had a workout video, but we got one today, so don't worry. Workout is actually tomorrow in sense of when I'm filming this, so 4 by 1200 and then 8 by 200. Nothing crazy, not a big workout, not really a workout where you want to push it or really focus on getting better. 8 days out, it'll be 8 days out from a race, so just keeping the legs moving, keeping the legs fresh, staying in rhythm, but we're not going to dig too deep. We definitely don't want to red line tomorrow because that could definitely take away from the race. So looking forward to getting this session in tomorrow morning. That said, going to hit the hay here pretty soon.
Yep, about 9 o'clock. We're in Grimes. Hopefully these storms are all cleared off. Got the geese. But we're going to have a good session in the morning. Silas Winters on the camera. Executive producer of this film. Alright, Silas here. That's what we're dealing with. Got a little rain coming. We're in a little rain right now. Trying to beat the thunderstorm. Any thoughts, Titus?
Us distance runners, always say make it happen, find a way. So gonna get the workout in one way or another this morning, so don't worry about that.
A few moments later.
Alright everyone, here with Titus Winters again. This is July 4th, no longer July 3rd. So Titus, tell us what is going on.
Alright, so yesterday I know what I said, we were gonna make it work. The rain got a lot worse. It was thunderstorming, there's some pretty close lightning, so while I do consider myself to be a tough guy that likes to push through things and not afraid to get things done the hard way, I also didn't want to die yesterday, and I do want to get a quality workout in. There is a point where you gotta make adjustments, call an audible. So doing the workout today on America's 250th birthday, so still gonna have a good workout here today.
And it was out here, we were driving through the flood, really. It was a flood.
Flood warning.
Now it's
flood warning.
69 degrees, feeling nice, just a slight breeze.
Feels good.
I mean, you really can't ask for more on a beautiful Saturday, July 4th.
Oh yeah.
America's 250. Woo! Four by 1200 today. Rep 1. Little pace check at the 100 there. Pace check at 200. All right, rep 1 done.
First one, got eased into it a little bit. 340.99. About where I wanted it, so good.
What's our rest today?
1 minute.
1 minute, short rest, here we go. Rep 2, this is lap 2. 450 to go. That's 800 meters of the 1200 meter rep. Rep 2 done. Rep 2 done. What was that one?
39.32, so
Slight progression. Picking it up just a little bit. Minute of rest here. Reset. And then we're halfway done with the workout here. 2 down, 2 to go.
we got it.
And then we got some little turnover, little 200s coming up here too. Start rep 3. Here we go. All right, things are heating up on the track, and the temperature's heating up as well. It's all right. Gonna get this workout done and dusted. Done and dusted. Over here on the back stretch now. About 550 into the rep. Coming up there. Coming up on 600 of the rep. Halfway through the rep. All right, rep 3 done. What do we have on that one?
38.4.
Another second.
A little bit. Shirt's coming off. Try to keep it on, but there was someone here. Just want to be respectful of their facilities. Always remember that. They're my facilities, but you can run a dog, I can run a shirt.
One more 1200 here. Last one, best one. And then after that, we'll reset, go for 200s. Last rep, I'm gonna do about 20 meters here. Maybe 25. All right, 800 to go, 400 into this rep, last rep. Hopefully notching it down a little bit each lap. All right, 400 to go right there, 400 to go, 400 to go. All right, let's notch it down a little bit. The last 1200. What do we get that?
336.59.
Couple seconds there.
Slight progression. Good.
Setting us right up for the 200s. How much rest we got before these 200s?
3 minutes. And then in between 200s, we got 45 seconds.
All right, it'll be a quick 3 minutes here. Be a snap of the fingers on the video, but we'll be right ready for these 200s. All right, about to go with these 200s. Little turnover at the end of the workout. We'll open the hips up, let the legs roll. first one, you're gonna get the whole rip. You can time it yourself. You might have Titus throw up the time on what the refs were. Boom. Like that, 200 down. All right, 200s down.
Yep.
What do we hit?
I like 30.7, I think 30.5, so.
All right, just notched it down a little bit.
Yeah, you gotta work into these.
How many more?
6 more.
6 more. 3 more laps total. Only 45 seconds in between. Just enough to catch your breath and go, get after it. Good end of race simulation right here. All right, 3 of 8, starting number 3 out of 8. All right, there's the end of rep 3. We'll get Titus to throw the time up on there. Rep number 4. Halfway done with the 200s. 4 down, 4 to go.
All right, 30.02, 30.23, so.
We're locking in right at 30.
Yep.
Locking in. Consistency. One thing people need to understand when it comes to running, consistency is key. Consistency in what you eat, consistency in how you sleep, consistency in how you show up every single day to train. Whether that's a recovery day or a workout day, consistency. All right. 6 down. 7, 8. Popping off now. Boom.
All right, 29.87, 30.00, so right there. There's more.
That's number 5 and number 6.
No excuses, but there is a headwind right before you get onto the home stretch, so may slow it down just a tick. Feel more on that faster stuff.
All right, here we go. Last 2. I misspoke earlier. Disregard the last statements. That was 5 and 6. Here's 7 and 8, I believe. But I know there's 2 to go. Last lap. What do we have?
Last 2, 29.63, 29.75, so.
Headwind on the home stretch here.
Yeah, and I'll say, I'll say it, pet peeve of mine, everybody thinks they're a sub 4 miler when it comes time to do 200s at mile pace, and you're not. I'm not. I ran 4 flat 3.2. That's why I try to hit like 29 point. Just 200 meters, not 220 yards. But if you're doing mile pace 200s, do your mile pace, maybe just I get it tick faster, just a tick. But we got guys out here running 412 and they want to come out here and run 29 lows. I've seen it from high schoolers, college, post-collegiate guys, especially guys hitting 28. I mean, or 27s. I didn't know you were that good. So it's okay to hit 29s, hit 30s, whatever. The race isn't today, the race is later, so don't overdo it on those 200s. That's a big pet peeve of mine, been a pet peeve of mine for a long time. But good workout, that's my rant. Good workout, a little warm here at the end, obviously a little humid from the rain, but that's good. It's good training effect, and happy with today's efforts. Nothing crazy given I got a race in 7 days now, so really next 6 days, and part of the 7th day will be recovery mode. So don't forget to recover hard. As always, these videos are always sponsored by Winders Lawn Maintenance, our first and only sponsor. And also shout out Josh Wheelo for bringing snacks. He'll get that reference, so he earned his shout out. So if you want a shout out on the next video, comment something on this video. Thanks again for watching.
All right, everyone, time to cool down. It's been a good one. It's heating up out here, so we're gonna try to cool down and stay safe out there, and go read your Bible.